my gosh. Oh, I am floored, stunned. Are you kidding me? I am so excited about today's video. I just received this mascara and PR and I've been hearing so much hype about it all over Instagram and TikTok, everything. Everyone seems to love it. So I figured, why not try it out? I have personally been looking forward to trying this. Here's the PR package. It's from Tower 28. So I already have like a lot of my makeup done. I'm filming another video at the same time as this, but I thought it'd be perfect to try this out and make a video about this mascara and do like a review with it. Why not? Okay, so inside the canister, we've got this big old poster right here. So this is the Make Waves Mascara from Tower 28. It's safe for sensitive eyes. It has powerful results. What else? There's a triple wave wand. Safe for sensitive eyes, ophthalmologist tested, contact lens safe, vegan, cruelty-free, allergy tested, non-toxic, easy wash off technology. Okay, so does that mean it's a tubing mascara? I don't know, but it says make waves for everything you want, buildable length, curl, volume, definition, and nothing you don't, no crunch, clumps, flakes, or smudges. And here's the back of the poster, very cute. Let's dive in. Here's the mascara. All right, so here's the packaging. I am such a big fan of Tower 28. I feel like everything they launch is just so good. So I do have high hopes for this mascara, and mascara, let me tell you, it's a journey for me. I am so picky with mascara. Most formulas smudge or flake on me, so we will have to see how this holds up. Okay, let me pull it up on Sephora's website. I think it's available at Sephora. Yes, it is. Okay, so this retails for $20 at Sephora, and then I'm sure it's on their website as well. It says it's waterproof. Really? Well, we will have to see. Okay, I am so excited. This also has vitamin B5 and castor oil to help your lashes look healthy, strong, and conditioned. It has Aquaflex technology to keep your lashes curled, and it's supposed to be like humidity proof as well. Guys, let's try it out. Okay, so the packaging is darling. It's like the classic Tower 28 colors. Ooh, nothing like a fresh mascara. Okay, so here is the wand. It's got a nice curve to it, and it has bristles all the way around. I can't wait to try it. Let's just get it on the eyes. I'm gonna do one eye at a time so we can kind of compare and see what it looks like. But I'm seeing so many people loving this. Oh gosh. It already has quite a bit of payoff, which is what I look for. Okay. And I'm not gonna be shy here, especially with this eyeshadow that I have on. I'm gonna really try to bulk this up on my lashes. I like the curvature of this wand. It's also helping comb through the lashes, so I really am not getting clumping, which is so nice, but I'm getting volume. Let's do another coat. I want to see how well this builds up. Oh my gosh. Oh, I am floored, stunned. Are you kidding me? And I know what everyone says. Every time I do a mascara review, everyone's like, well, yeah, your lashes are long. Yes, they are, but you guys, because of that, believe it or not, because my lashes are so long, I have become so picky with mascaras because they smudge, they flake, they clump easier. I feel like it's harder to build up without it looking ridiculous. So even though I have got natural length, sometimes all the other things are a little more difficult for me because my lashes just are so long that they touch the area around the eyes and it just is a whole thing. So, wow. Okay, let me tell you what I'm noticing. First of all, it was so easy to apply. It had the perfect consistency to where I was able to build it up continuously, but it wasn't so buildable that it clumped. I did quite a few coats. It feels really lightweight on the eyes. This is the effect that I go for when it comes to a mascara. I haven't been this shocked by a mascara in years. Oh boy, fingers crossed that this wears well because the application was phenomenal. Let's go ahead and apply it to the other eye. Like, I am giddy about this, you guys. Even down to the curvature of the wand, it's so easy to work with. It's so easy to just get right into the root of the lashes. I am praying this wears well because if it does, I may have just found my new favorite mascara. I don't say those things lightly, okay? Like, mascara is something I'm so picky about. It also applies beautifully to the lower lashes too, which I love. Well, well, well. Tower 28, you are not messing around. I love how that looks. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup and then we'll come back to do a wear test. I did wanna wear this for a couple of days, but we're gonna kick it off tonight and then I'm gonna give it another shot tomorrow because I just feel like I really need to give it at least 2 days with wearing it for different amounts of time because I'm just like so excited about this mascara and I do not want to not give it a fair wear test before, you know, posting this video. So I'm gonna finish up my makeup and I'll be right back, so I'll see you guys in a second. Alrighty friends, the rest of my makeup is done. The mascara looks phenomenal. So it's currently 8:30 p.m. So this isn't gonna be a full day wear test since I did film this video a little bit later and I wasn't planning on filming a full review on it, but then I saw everyone hyped up about it. So we're starting the review here. Again, I will wear it tomorrow to get like a long or longer wear out of it. But so far, you guys, I'm really liking it. So I will come back here at the end of the night after a few hours of wearing this to see where it's at. And then we'll finish things up tomorrow as well. So far, so good. I'm really excited about this. All right, you guys, so it's currently 2:30 a.m. and I am ready for bed, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys the mascara damage. And honestly, there's not much. There's a tiny bit of flaking right here, only on this eye, really. There's like one little flake on this eye. I don't even know if you can see it, but these lashes actually touch my eyelid more than these lashes do. And then underneath, I don't see any smudging. There's a little flaking here, just the tiniest pieces. So that's after 6 hours of wearing it. Like I said, I'm gonna wear it again tomorrow. Since I did apply a setting spray all over, tomorrow, if I do use a setting spray, I'm gonna cover up my eyes because sometimes that affects how the mascara wears. I've noticed that with other formulas, and I really wanna get a good feel for this because I'm so excited about how it looks on the eyes. So I wanna make sure I, troubleshoot a couple things. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, but I'll see you guys back here tomorrow for a second wear test so that we can really get a good idea on how this wears on me. So far so good. I'm really not mad at it. It does flake a little. Let me see if I can just brush that away though. Yeah, it's truly like not even noticeable, but it is there. A lot of my favorite mascaras have a little flaking. It's not ideal. In a perfect world, I would rather there be none, but it was truly very minimal. So I will be solidifying my opinion tomorrow, so I'll see you guys then for round 2 of a wear test. All right, you guys, so it's day 2 of wearing the Tower 28 mascara. It's 5:30. I applied it probably a half hour ago. I was creating other content. So we're gonna start the mascara wear test at 5. And I actually didn't use any setting spray today to just see how that would affect it. So we're gonna wear this for the rest of the night. I have quite a bit of things to do, so I'm just gonna be running around for the rest of the night, and then I'll come back and let you know what my final thoughts are. But I really liked how it applied again. I thought it was so easy. The curvature of the brush is something really special, especially for the lower lash line. And I wanted to also mention, last night when I removed the mascara, to me, it did not feel like a tubing mascara. It didn't come off in like little clumps, if that makes sense. You know how tubing mascara is like you can feel it kind of removing? This just melted. So I don't know, I haven't seen anybody claim that this is a tubing mascara. It applies like one. Well, it's a little bit smoother, but it didn't remove like one, but it removed really easily. It really melted off quick, which was nice. So I wanted to make sure to mention that as well. So let's go ahead and do our second wear test, and I'll see you guys at the end of the night back here for my final thoughts. All right, so it is currently 12:15 a.m., so I've been wearing this for 7 hours. Day 2 was a really good day, and I do feel like not using a setting spray really helped it not flake around the eyes. I have 0 flaking whatsoever. The reason why I tried that is because sometimes with other formulas that I've tried, I've noticed that if I get setting spray on it, it kind of changes or gets the lashes damp, and then they re-dry and they can kind of flake. So I was just curious to see if that was the issue. It seems to be exactly what was the issue. I feel like the mascara holds curl really well. I am really happy with this. I can see why people are getting so excited about it. I'm excited to keep using it. It's really rare for me to find a mascara that right off the bat, I really enjoy how it applies, how it builds, how it wears, and this is definitely one of those mascaras. So it has a thumbs up from you guys. I'm really excited about it. I'll have it linked down below if you're interested in checking it out. If you've tried it, I'd love to hear how it works for you because I know everyone's picky with mascaras, but this one seems to be one that's working for a lot of people that I've seen. So let me know in the comments down below how it's been working for you if you've tried it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie, and I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber but you want to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I post. That's it for me today. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.